Imagine having a personal assistant available 24/7, ready to answer your questions, provide helpful recommendations, and engage in natural conversations. Welcome to the world of chatbots, where artificial intelligence meets human-like interactions, revolutionizing the way we engage with technology. Get ready to explore the incredible capabilities of chatbots and witness how they are reshaping the future of customer service, automation, and personal assistance. Welcome to our YouTube video, where we delve into the exciting realm of chatbots. In this video, we'll uncover how chatbots, powered by artificial intelligence, are transforming industries and providing unparalleled convenience and assistance. So, let's jump right in and discover the wonders of chatbots. Explaining chatbots. Chatbots are computer programs designed to simulate human-like conversations, using natural language processing and machine learning algorithms. They're trained to understand and respond to user queries, provide information, and offer personalized assistance. Chatbot benefits. Chatbots offer a myriad of benefits in various fields. Customer service. Chatbots serve as virtual customer service representatives, handling queries, providing instant responses, and improving customer satisfaction by offering prompt and accurate assistance. Automation. Chatbots automate repetitive tasks, saving time and resources for businesses. They can handle appointment scheduling, order processing, and basic troubleshooting, freeing up human employees for more complex tasks. Personal assistance. Chatbots act as personal assistants, helping users with recommendations, answering questions, and offering personalized services based on user preferences and historical data. Chatbot applications. Chatbots are being implemented in diverse industries. E-commerce. Chatbots assist customers in product searches, offer personalized recommendations, and provide order tracking updates, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Healthcare. Chatbots streamline patient triage, offer symptom assessments, and provide quick access to medical information, improving efficiency and accessibility in healthcare services. Travel and hospitality. Chatbots assist travelers with booking flights, suggesting accommodations, and providing real-time information on travel destinations, ensuring a seamless and personalized travel experience. Chatbots of the future. As AI continues to advance, chatbots will become even more sophisticated. We can expect chatbots to handle complex conversations, display empathy, and adapt to individual user preferences, creating truly personalized experiences. Chatbots are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. With their ability to understand human language, offer assistance, and automate tasks, they are shaping the future of customer service and personal assistance. Embrace the power of chatbots and witness the incredible benefits they bring to our everyday lives. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest technological advancements. Stay tuned for our next video.